Today we are going to talk about how to flip a property and what are the steps you need to do and why would you want to flip a property. Let's get into the video and then I will tell you all about it. What is flipping a property? When you flip a property, it's when you buy a property, make improvements on the property, and then sell the property for a profit. Now, there are processes, or there is a breakdown of a process that I'm going to give you guys. 5 steps that you can actually follow. Okay, number 1, you need to find the property to flip. You cannot flip a property without having a property. Okay, you go and look for property, but you don't just go and look for property. You go and look for a property that is undervalued or that is in need of repairs. Now, the reason why you look for those type of properties, it is because they have got the most potential for profit. Number 2, buy the property. You've got the property, discover the property, and then you buy the property. There are 2 ways that I've got for you that you can use to buy a property. Number 1, you can actually buy the property with cash. Okay. Number 2, you can use a short-term loan. Okay. There are other ways, I believe, perhaps out there. You can go and do your own research. Number 3, ladies and gentlemen, make improvements on the property. You have discovered the property, you have bought the property, and guess what you need to do? You need to improve the property, renovate the property. Okay, when you renovate a property or you fix the property, you improve the property, it increases the value of the property. For who? It will be appealing to your potential buyers, those who might be interested in the property. Because remember, when you renovate, you are not just renovating, you are not just fixing, you must fix smartly so that when people see it, it's actually appealing to them. Number 4, you sell the property. Obviously, you list the property for sale and market it to potential buyers. Of course, I'm right there. You can contact me if you want to use an agent. Okay, guys. Number 4 is the big one. It's the profit, guys. Okay, if you have done your homework and made smart improvements, because it's very important, guys, don't just improve with smart. Use your mind. Improve things that are relevant. Improve things that are going to make it appeal to potential buyers, as I think I have also mentioned. You should be able to sell the property for more than you paid for it, okay, resulting in a profit. So you don't want to improve a property and then when you sell the property and you receive the money that is going to be below what you have used to improve. You need, when you sell the property, you need to receive the money that is beyond, actually high beyond what we have used to repair and to improve, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I want you to keep this in mind, guys. Flipping a house or flipping a property, it can be risky. It can be risky for many reasons. You might try to flip, it's not working, and remember, you have bought it. So you need to sell it. Now you'll have to sell it at a lower than what you have bought. So it's a risky business. That is just one of the examples, ladies and gentlemen. And it requires a significant time. It requires a significant money, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you need to have money to do this. You need to have time to do this, ladies and gentlemen. So it is very important, okay, to have a solid understanding, okay, of real estate market. Don't just go out there and take a property, flipping it without checking the markets, without checking what's going on in the markets. Okay, what time is it in the markets? You check around the construction costs. You check around all local regulations. Before you even try anything, you must have all that information. Okay, but if done right, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Flipping a house can be a lucrative venture. Okay, with that said, I think you've learned, right? I've got 2 properties for you that you can take a look if you want to embark on this journey. Okay? 2 properties. I've got a property in Sunnyside. The property actually is a 6-bedroom property, and actually it's 500 and some. Now, when people call me about the property, they always ask me, why is the property actually so low in price? It is because, guys, there is some people who actually called me who wanted to buy it for investment purposes. In other words, they are going to do the flipping. They are going to fix it and do everything. Okay, so I've got that one 500 plus plus 100,000. I will put it on the screen, ladies and gentlemen. So it's in Sunnyside, not in a noisy Sunnyside, okay? A quiet Sunnyside. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And then I've got another apartment. Actually, it's a building. Okay, one of my colleagues is actually listed that building. Okay, it's a 58 units. Okay, apartments in Pretoria Central. Okay, the price is 1,500,000 and blah blah blah. I will put it on the screen, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, if maybe you want to see the property, because guys, don't go there and just don't look at the pictures and be like, yeah, I think this is good. You need to go there and see the property. You need to go there and see these two properties. Of course, if you are interested in that, you can contact us, guys. All right, you can call me. You can call the other agent. Okay, I will put the posters, okay, on the screen. Then you can call us. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And also you can find the numbers and the emails in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. Thank you for being part of the video. Of course, you may be not interested, but somebody might be. Like, ladies and gentlemen, and also share whoever that you might think might be interested in this thing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You have a fantastic day. You have a wonderful and a great day.